Honda Motorcycles and Scooter India Private Limited has announced that it has sold over 11 lakh BS6 compliant two-wheelers in the country. The brand also says they are first to achieve this milestone. Honda says that high demand for its Activa 6G and its Shine 125cc motorcycles have helped register massive sales numbers. The brand offers 11 BS6 compliant products across scooters, commuter motorcycles and premium machines. HMI says that they were the first manufacturer to launch upgraded BS6 compliant products in the country and achieved this 6 months in advance for the 1st April 2020 deadline. The Japanese manufacturer also said that they sold 6.5 lakh BS6 compliant units during the last financial year, making them the number one selling brand in the Indian subcontinent. Mr. Yadvinder Singh Guleria, the Director of Sales and Marketing at Honda Motorcycle and Scooter India Private Limited, said it's a matter of great pride for Honda that 11 advanced BS6 models have won the vote of confidence and created a new joy of riding amongst customers across India. Truly, it's a quite revolution from Honda in the BS6 era, as the product portfolio stands out as the industry's most diverse, starting from 110cc scooters and motorcycles going up to 1100cc premium adventure bikes. The brand added that most customers now prefer their own vehicles and personal mobility, considering health, safety and hygiene have become the new normal. Honda has added more value to itself as a brand by launching multiple initiatives like online bookings for vehicles and industry's first 6-year warranty and very attractive finance schemes. Honda, the brand, recently launched its unused vehicle campaign that sees Honda selling pre-registered BS4 models at heavily discounted prices. The BS4 lot of vehicles were pre-registered before the 1st April 2020 deadline and all standard at 0 km on the odo. Japanese auto manufacturer Yamaha has launched its BS6 compliant FZ25 in India at a price of Rs 1,52,100 ex-showroom Delhi. The Yamaha FZ25 was unveiled during the February this year along with the Yamaha FZS25. Both models feature a BS6 compliant 249cc air-cooled single overhead camshaft engine that produces 20.5 bhp of power and 10.2 Nm of torque. The engine comes mated to a 5-speed gearbox. Both motorcycles features a monotone LCD instrument cluster, LED headlights, daytime running lights and tail lights, an engine cowl and a side stand that has an engine cutoff. Primary differences between the Yamaha FZ25 and the FZS25 are a longer visor, brush guards on the handle grips and alloy wheels finished in gold. The motorcycles continue to feature telescopic forks at the front and a 7-way adjustable monocross suspension at the rear. Braking duties are handled by a 282mm disc at the front and a 220mm one at the rear. Dual-channel ABS is offered as a standard. Yamaha FZ25 is available in two color options, racing blue and metallic black, while the FZS25 is available in three color options, dark matte blue, patina green and white vermilion. The brand also announced that the Yamaha FZS25 BS6 model was available for Rs 1,57,100 but said that the availability would be confirmed at a later date. Yamaha has also announced a special finance scheme for essential services and emergency services personnel who are actively fighting the COVID-19 virus. The brand has special EMI schemes available for doctors, nurses, healthcare workers and law enforcement. The company said that the special offer was running only until the end of July this year. Yamaha said that the scheme was available to customers across all authorized Yamaha dealerships across the country. The brand has also launched a special camp for COVID-19 warriors. KTM India has announced new finance schemes for the 390 adventure motorcycle in the Indian market. The company is offering EMIs starting at as low as Rs 6,999, which will make it easier for buyers to own the motorcycle. Along with the low EMI, the new finance scheme also includes up to 80% of the on-the-road price funding on two-wheeler loans. It is offered for a repayment period of 5 years. The price of KTM 390 Adventure retails at Rs 3.04 lakh ex-showroom Delhi. Customers can also choose from a host of financial solutions offered by Bajaj Finance Limited and HDFC Bank, including up to 95% funding. The institution is also offering lower interest rates and flexible repayment options as well. Additionally, customers can exchange their existing motorcycle for at dealerships with exciting schemes. The KTM 390 Adventure, it is powered by a BS6 compliant 373.2cc single-cylinder liquid-cooled engine. It produces a maximum of 43 bhp at 9000 rpm and a peak torque of 37 Nm at 7000 rpm. The engine comes mated to a 6-speed gearbox with slipper assisted clutch and quick shifter technology for clutchless up and down shifts. The 390 Adventure uses a trellis frame supported by a long travel suspension, making it off-road ready. At the front, it uses a WP Apex 43mm USD forks with 170mm travel and a WP Apex monoshock suspension with 177mm travel at the rear. Braking duties on the motorcycle are handled by 320mm disc at the front and 230mm disc at the rear, supported by dual-channel ABS. The 390 Adventure motorcycle rides on 19-inch front and 17-inch rear alloy wheels shod with Metzeler Tourance dual-purpose tires. The KTM 390 Adventure rivals the Royal Enfield Himalayan, the Xpulse 200 and the upcoming BMW GS 310 in the Indian market. The 390 Adventure is faster and features more equipment as compared to its rivals. However, it is priced significantly higher than most of its competitors. In these current times, every automobile manufacturer is trying its best for customers by launching new schemes, sanitization of the vehicles and other innovative ideas. Morris Garages India, that is MG Motors, has come up with a new magazine on safety. MG India announced they will be launching the award-winning Safety Fast magazine in India. First published in 1959, Safety Fast is the official magazine of the MG Car Club. The name is self-explanatory. Safety Fast describes the subject which the magazine is devoted to, the speed with safety. The name Safety Fast came into existence when Ted Collegrove, MG Car Company publicity manager in the 1920s, was driving through Oxford late in November. He came up behind a bus which had a large triangular sign painted on its back with the words Safety First running through it. This was to show that it was fitted with brakes on all four wheels, a new innovation then, and that it could stop quicker. Ted thought it would be a great slogan if altered to read Safety Fast. Back at the Abingdon Works, Cecil Kimber, the father of MG, was sitting at his desk with an advert featuring the current slogan, Faster Than Most. Someone had added the word bicycles to it mischievously. It now reads Faster Than Most Bicycles. Kimber was livid and saw the Safety Fast could not be tampered with. He instructed Ted Collegrove to go ahead and use it. Since then, the MG Car Company used the Safety Fast slogan in a lot of their advertising. MG aims to highlight its glorious near 100-year history by bringing back the Safety Fast magazine. The award-winning magazine is now coming to India. It was first published in 1959. Safety Fast is the official magazine of the MG Car Club. Safety Fast became the slogan and watchword of the MG Car Company in 1929. It is also correct and stands true today after 9 decades of the Octagon's existence for the brand. The magazine will be published monthly and will be available for download for free for all automotive enthusiasts and classic car aficionados on the 27th of every month in a PDF form. For all the automotive enthusiasts, this magazine will be a very helpful magazine which will speak about the speed with safety. Jeep Compass is one of the popular SUVs in the country, but lately, due to the new entrants in the segment, the sales of Jeep Compass have come down. Now, American auto manufacturer Jeep has just launched the Compass Night Eagle Edition in India at a starting price of Rs 20.40 lakh ex-showroom. The Jeep Compass Night Eagle Edition is based on the model's Longitude Plus variant, and the brand offers the Night Eagle with both petrol and diesel engine options. The SUV features a 1.4-litre petrol engine that produces 160 bhp and 250 Nm of torque and comes mated to a 7-speed DCT transmission. The SUV is also offered with a 2.0-litre diesel engine that produces 170 bhp and 350 Nm of torque. The engine comes mated to a 6-speed manual transmission and a 9-speed automatic. The black theme continues on the inside of the vehicle with the dashboard, the upholstery and the door pads all finished in black. The brand has used techno leather for upholstery that appears to be a combination of fabric and leatherette. Jeep's Compass Night Eagle Edition features black elements that enhance the overall looks of the SUV. The brand's logo, the chrome grille surround and the larger 18-inch alloy wheels are all finished in black. Key highlights of the all-new Jeep Compass Night Eagle Edition are a 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system that is Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatible, 2-zone climate control, cruise control, and a multifunctional steering wheel. The vehicle also features a push-button start-stop function, power windows, power-adjustable ORVMs, a rear seat armrest, a USB, an auxiliary input, and a cool glove box. Safety features include 4 airbags, ABS with EBD, rear parking sensors, a rear view camera, child safety locks, traction control, an engine immobilizer, electronic roll mitigation, hill start assist, a double crank prevention system, and an anti-theft device. The Jeep Compass Night Eagle Edition is offered in a choice of 4 body colors: Brilliant Black, Exotic Red, Magnesio Grey and Vocal White. Jeep Compass Night Eagle Edition is limited to just 250 units and is priced between rupees 20.40 lakh and rupees 23.31 lakh ex-showroom India. CFMoto is very popular two-wheeler brand in China. CFMoto, a Chinese motorcycle manufacturer, sets its foot in the Indian market earlier this year and launched 4 new motorcycles. The 4 motorcycles included 2 naked street fighters 300 NK and 650 NK, an adventure tourer 650 MT and a sport tourer 650 GT. The entire country was facing a nationwide lockdown due to the COVID-19 pandemic, and because of that, the company had to suspend bookings for its motorcycles. Now, since the government has eased up the lockdown, CFMoto has started accepting bookings. The company also plans to launch the updated BS6 motorcycle soon and have started accepting test ride registrations on their official website. The CFMoto 300 NK is powered by a 292cc single-cylinder liquid-cooled engine. It produces 33.5 bhp of power and 20.5 Nm of peak torque and is mated to a 6-speed gearbox. It comes with a host of features including LED headlamps, DRLs and tail lights, as well as digital instrument cluster. The 650cc offerings from CFMoto, which include the 650 NK, 650 MT and the 650 GT, are all powered by the same 649cc parallel twin liquid-cooled engine. The unit produces 66.68 bhp of power and 56 Nm of peak torque and comes mated to a 6-speed gearbox. However, the engine on each of the motorcycles will be tuned differently to suit the riding style of that particular model. The feature list on the 650cc offerings from CFMoto includes LED lighting all around, fully digital TFT instrument cluster, Bluetooth connectivity and dual channel ABS, among a host of others. CFMoto is also working on setting up a good dealership network across the country as well. After Mumbai and Bangalore, the company is likely to launch its dealership network in cities such as Delhi, Chennai, Hyderabad and many more. The CFMoto 300 NK will rival the likes of the KTM Duke 390 and the Honda CB 300R, while the 650cc offering will go up against the likes of the Kawasaki Ninja 650, Kawasaki Versys 650 and the Suzuki V-Storm 650 in the Indian market. CFMoto bikes price start at rupees 2.29 lakh. CFMoto has a total of 4 bikes. The CFMoto 650 GT is the most expensive bike with a price tag of rupees 5.49 lakhs ex-showroom. Let us see how it fares in the Indian market. Do share your thoughts in the comment section.